po, ako si Jeda. Magsasaing po ako. Ito po ang kaldero, tasa o panukat, at rice cooker. So, huhukayin I'm gonna wash the rice. When I tapos wash the rice, I'm gonna lagay it tubig again. So, 3 times wash. So, nalagay ko po tubig kanina at I'm gonna wash it 3 times. If I wash it 3 times, it will be clean. So, naka-fill na rin na tubig na. So, i-drain ko na yan. So isa, dalawa, tatlo. Now I'm gonna do it again. At sa last, papagkayin ko na yan. Yeah. Oh. What? So, i-drain ko na. So, sa last na tayo dito. So, papagkayan ko na lang. 1, 2, 3. So, sa last na, natapos na ako. So, ilagay ko po dito. But make sure first I need to dry my hands. Okay. Rice cooker! Rice cooker! But make sure... So, last na, kasi kung basa dito, so it will be electric. Then, we need to put it. Yan. At sasaksakin ko po ng rice cooker. So if you need to saksak the rice cooker, you need to put your hand, my hands first. Or your hands. Yeah. So we need to press this. But you need to wait for 40 minutes. Thank you. So yeah. Hello guys, and thank you for watching me. Then now it's cooking. So first you need to wait for 40 minutes.
A few moments later.
So guys, na. Yan, kita nyo. Tingnan nyo. Keep warm. So we need to keep warm. But mamaya tayo kakain. So we need to keep it warm first because mamaya tayo kakain.